Paradiso of Paradiso Insurance, and I'm here with a good friend of mine, Dallas here. And what we're here today to talk about is something really, really important. It's attitude. How to have a successful attitude, which in return will help you have a successful business or successful home life. So can you discuss a little bit about your attitude and how important it is to your everyday life?
Yeah, I'd be happy to. I'll say first, it's extremely important. I'm a firm believer that, as Jim Rohn said, the same wind blows on us all. You know, what happens to you happens to me. We all get stuck in traffic. We all lose people that are important to us. We all have things that we want to succeed in at life and have challenges and obstacles to get what that end result is. And therefore, it's not those outside circumstances that really drives who we are and who we become. It's how we deal with it. And if it wasn't for a good positive attitude, right? Sure. Then I wouldn't be able to deal with those things in the proper way, and therefore change the result in essence. Change what the end result is going to be. Instead of letting something defeat me, deciding that it's going to be something that I'm going to learn from, grow from, and then also use what I've learned to give back and share with other people. And so knowing that internally, having that awareness, means that when things get tough, immediately take acceptance for it, look at what's going on and why, and then take positive action. And my attitude guides that whole process.
Sounds like you're saying take responsibility.
100%. The ball can't start until you do, in all honesty. Absolutely.
Sure. Well, Dallas is a life coach, and that's why we're here talking about attitude. What do you think? When you're working with somebody, maybe you can explain to us exactly, first and foremost, what is a life coach?
It's different things to different people, in all honesty, because it's such a growing genre. It's something that, like, I'll give an example. Tony Robbins, years ago, pretty much kind of started the industry. Sure. And now you can have a coach, if you're a writer, who can help you to become a better author. Most people understand coaches in the athletic world, right? Sure. Same idea. You want to be a better tennis player. So if you want to be a better person, a better business owner, then having somebody who's going to guide you through your challenges, help you tap into the answers that you already have. Because I'm a firm believer in that all of the answers that we need, if we internalized enough and really took, like you said, 100% responsibility, and looked at what was going on and why, we could get those answers within. So I consider myself more of a life guide, and what I do is I guide people to those answers, to help them find exactly the answers inside them, help them become accountable for everything that's happened in their lives, and just help them to think outside of the box on how to get beyond what their challenges are and just keep moving. In essence, I believe that's kind of the foundation of what all coaches do.
Sure. One last question. If I was to ask you, sum up life with one quote, how you live your life, what quote would that be?
Goodness. I'm not going to do it justice. There's a Marianne Williams quote, which maybe I can give to you and you can post. And it just talks about the idea of when we shrink, when you're in this particular situation, you're feeling the pressure, and instead of moving forward, instead of growing, instead of standing firm, you decide to shrink. You decide to not shine your light. You decide to take a step back, to be in the background, to just sit at home and watch TV, to give in, throw in the towel. You do yourself as well as the world around you a disservice. And when you decide instead to stand firm, to move forward, to push through your challenges, and to shine your light, to be an individual, to be authentic, then you do you and the whole world a good service. And I believe that's what we were all put here to do. And in essence, that quote sums that up.
Sure. If you could send us that quote,
I'd be happy to.
That'd be great.
It's my favorite, absolutely.
Hey, thank you very much for your time.
It's been a pleasure, Chris. Thank you.